Hello, welcome to Freddie's Modern Kung Fu. I made my husband, Sifu Freddie Lee, a delicious, delicious lunch. He just got home from work, so I have some jasmine rice garnished with shredded carrots and some cilantro, decorated with some beautiful flower-like tomato slices and some nice cucumber down there, and it's garnished with cilantro here and there. And here's my famous, delicious barbecue chicken wings. Before, I normally just use drumsticks because it has more meat, but since we had some wings in the freezer, I might as well just make chicken wing, the barbecue version, even though it's not much meat compared to drumsticks. But hey, as long as it tastes good, it's what matters. Alright, lucky Sifu Freddie Lee.